Craft Drew is a recognized Polish brand, driven by passion for innovation and top quality. For years, we've been delivering solutions that make work easier and boost efficiency. The MP150 Manipulator is a device that allows effortless lifting and moving of boards, quickly, conveniently, and safely. Thanks to vacuum gripping technology, transporting furniture boards has never been easier. The tilting and rotating arm allows board transport even in tight spaces. It ensures full control and precision while working in any conditions. The board can be easily tilted up to 90 degrees and rotated up to 180 degrees. The device operates for up to 8 hours on a single charge. The maximum load capacity is as much as 150 kilograms. The MP150 lifts loads up to a height of 12-20 millimeters. The spacing of the suction cups is fully adjustable, allowing the grip to be perfectly matched to any board size. The entire system is operated via an intuitive, user-friendly control panel. The MP150 is suitable for both small workshops and large production facilities. Craft Drew is not just about innovative machines, it's passion, experience, and a personalized approach. Learn more at craftdrew.com.